Hi everyone and welcome back to one more video of All Lite Food, the food goodies, and today I'm going to share 10 health benefits of the green tea. But before that, I'm going to make a cup of green tea for myself, and it's really simple to make. Take 1 cup of hot water, to which add your green tea bag and let it to sit for 1 to 2 minutes. And if you want it little stronger, then let it to sit for 2 to 3 minutes. So while this is getting ready, here are the reasons why you should drink green tea every day. The green tea are an excellent source of antioxidants which helps to prevent diseases and are also loaded with flavonoids and catechins. The green tea are also effective in burning and decreasing the body fat and also controls our body weight and prevents the obesity. The green tea are known to be very good source of antibacterial and anti-inflammatory agents which boost our immunity against illness. It is interesting to know that the green tea hydrates and nourishes the skin, which helps to reduce the dark circles and unclogs the skin pores, which keeps our skin healthy and hydrated. The catechins in the green tea prevents tooth decay and cures bad breath, and further helps to keep the teeth and gums strong. Researchers show that the green tea supports brain function and helps to improve the memory, concentration and productivity. The green tea also helps to reduce blood pressure and the risk of heart diseases. It regulates the blood glucose level and controls diabetes. The green tea are very effective in sleep disorders. It helps to reduce stress, depression and anxiety. One more important benefit of green tea is that it helps in healthy digestion, reduces constipation and digestion related problems. And finally, the green tea detoxifies our body and protects our organs. So that's all for today's food goodies video. I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy.